How to upload longer than 3-minute videos on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So guys, we can upload up to 10 minutes videos on TikTok. So let's show you how to do it. First we have to click on the plus icon like we usually do. And then from here we cannot record a 10-minute video. We have to upload it from our gallery. So go to upload. And then here you have to search for a video which is longer than 3 minutes. So it can be 4 minutes, 6 minutes or 10 minutes. So I will go ahead and search for my video. Okay guys, so I found a video which has 7 minutes and 56 seconds. So it's this one. As you can see, it has 7 minutes, nearly 8. Then click next, then click again next. It will take a while to process because it's a really long video. Okay guys, so my video fully processed. Then here you can add some effect sound and text or stickers, and you can trim your video and do whatever you like. And then from here you have to click next and describe your video and post it like you usually do. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.